Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blink with Shush. Today I'm going to create this very colorful eyeshadow look with the very bright color lipstick. So let's start the makeup with the NYX colorful eyeshadow palette. First I will be applying a concealer to make it base for my eyeshadow. Now this eye makeup people usually don't do. It is for fun. It is a creative and fashion makeup whenever there's a shoot or etc., but not in a regular life. I'm always so inspired to create a colorful eyeshadow or colorful makeup that inspires me a lot. It denotes me with happiness and freedom, so I really love to do colorful eye makeup. Using the concealer, I have cut the crease and now I'm starting with the blue eyeshadow in my inner corner. As usual, I am dabbing the color and after that I'm going to diffuse the edges. I first dab the eyeshadow color and after that I take a blending brush and I just diffuse the edges. Now I'm taking a glitter from Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm just applying it with my finger. I have already prepared my skin, so I'm directly starting from the concealer where I have to hide my pigmentation. Using the Revlon foundation that has a satin finish, I'm just blending the foundation after the application. This foundation is giving me a nice coverage and a satin finish, which I love it. Now I'm fixing my base makeup with the Myglam's loose powder. Now I'm going to bronze my face with this bronzer. Today I want to apply blush. I'm just simply going to bronze my face and then I'm going to apply it as a blush as well. I'm not going to give any pink tinge on it. Now Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter is amazing, so I'm applying its highlighter with a small fluffy brush. After highlighting my face, I'm going to use Revlon Makeup Fixer to melt all the powders that I've used and give a natural skin like. Now this is Myglam's eyebrow filler that I'm going to use. Very convenient to use if you are not even a makeup artist. Finishing it with the Eyelashes of PAC and Myglam's green color eye pencil. First I'm applying the eye pencil and then I'm going to dab more green color from the eyeshadow NYX palette and giving it a green eyeliner in my lower lash, completing it with the colossal Maybelline mascara, which is waterproof. Now this magenta pink, neon pink lipstick is from Myglam and it's stunning yet. So till here is a normal makeup, a glam party makeup, or you can say high fashion makeup, and after this I'm just applying this face paint to give a creative look to this makeup. This makeup is similarly to the makeup tutorial that I had done in earlier video, makeup from the magic bottle. Now this is not makeup from a magic bottle, but it will give a finishing that it has been done with the help of, a white paint has been done with the help of a white fluffy brush. So that picture will denote everything that you will see in the last of this video. It gives a finishing that it has been applied in one stroke with the help of the powder fluffy brush. So guys, after applying this paint look, I have again done the photos from both the looks. So you can tell me which look did you like the most in the comment section below. I have also used yellow eyeshadow to highlight my inner corner. If you guys want me to create some more creative look, do let me know in the comment section below. And how did you like this pretty high fashion makeup look? Do let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you guys for your valuable time. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And do share this video to your loved ones if you liked my work. Thank you so much again. Bye bye, and I'll be right back with a brand new video with more creativity. See ya.